Amphibians are cold-blooded, and therefore their body temperature changes depending on the temperature of their surroundings. They are vertebrates and have a backbone or spine just like mammals, fish and birds. Amphibians can live on land or in water, but usually when they're young they live in water. As they get older and become adults, they move to living on land. For example, the young of frogs are eggs that are laid in water and then grow into tadpoles. They breathe through gills until their lungs form as they become adult frogs. Salamanders, newts, caecilians, toads and frogs are all examples of amphibians. A lot of amphibians have delicate skin that they can breathe and also absorb water through. Therefore, even when they are adults, they must stay close to water to survive. There are over 8,000 known amphibians on the planet. Many of these are quite brightly coloured, like the poison dart frog found in Central and South America. Their name suggests they are poisonous like many other amphibians to help warn off predators. The largest amphibian in the world is the Chinese giant salamander, which can grow up to 1.8 metres long. The smallest is a frog found in Papua New Guinea, which measures only up to 9.3 millimetres long.